Facing login issue while trying to log in to TikTok from your iPhone? I know how much annoying this can be, but don't worry. In this complete video, I'll show you how you can fix TikTok login issue on your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before doing anything, make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your iPhone. Double check your username and email and password. Solution 1. Clear app cache. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the app. If you don't find the app here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on the app. Then tap Offload and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 2. Enable background app refresh. Go to the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down. Tap on Background App Refresh. Again, tap on Background App Refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back. Scroll down. Find the app. Make sure to toggle it on. Now go to TikTok app and try to log in again. If you still have the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 3. Uninstall and reinstall the app. Press and hold the app from the home screen. Then tap Remove App. After that, tap Delete App. Now go to the App Store. Tap on the search icon from below. Type TikTok. Now install the app again. Check your issue whether it's solved or not. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi, password, but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After the resetting network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope your issue is solved. So folks, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have anything to ask, then please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.